Samsung is getting ready for the January 2024 release of its Galaxy S24 series. The three models that the company plans to release are the Galaxy S24, the Galaxy S24 Plus, and the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Before the launch, there have been a number of online rumors that give away information about the phone's different colors, RAM configurations, and storage sizes. Some news stories have given us more information about the new Samsung Galaxy S24 smartphones. At launch, the Galaxy S24 will have the same 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage as the Galaxy S23. But there might also be an 8GB model with 256GB of space, but not a 512GB model. There will be 256GB and 512GB storage options for the Galaxy S24 Plus. It will come with 12GB of RAM as normal. The Galaxy S24 Ultra, on the other hand, comes with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. You can add 512GB or 1TB of storage later. It is likely that all three types will come in black, gray, violet, and yellow. Evan Blast, a reliable source, also said there was a chance that the S24 Ultra would come out in silver, light brown, and green colors that could only be bought on the Samsung website. Qualcomm's new Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC, which has GPU and CPU parts that have been overclocked, is likely to power the devices. However, the Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus may use an Exynos processor in some parts of the world. Fans of technology can't wait for the Samsung Galaxy S24 series to come out so they can see its new features and improvements. Prices for the S24 line are likely to stay the same. The S24 costs $800, the S24 Plus $1,000, and the S24 Ultra $1,200. A lot of what Samsung has done to please tech fans has been based on artificial intelligence. AI will be at the heart of new models, especially ones that make images better. A leaker named Bennett Bunner says that artificial intelligence will be used to improve low-light videos. Users will also be able to change their recorded sequences by removing any unwanted objects or elements that are found there. This choice is based on the Magic Pixel Rubber, which lets people get rid of things in photos without changing the shape of them. It's still unclear how useful this feature will be in real life, since removing something from a video is trickier than removing something from a picture. You can order your phone ahead of time after the event, and they will be on sale on January 30th. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.